Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another video. I hope that you're all doing well. Are you wondering how to cook without red oil and still achieve this wonderful bright yellow orange color that red oil gives to food? Then this is the video for you. I will show you how to cook without red oil and still achieve this result in this video. So these are all the ingredients that I'm using to make this particular okra soup. This is not a tutorial on how to make okra soup, but I'm still going to take you along. This is all the ingredients that I'm using. I have more ingredients that I will show you later in the video, but I'm starting with the star of the dish, which is okra, fresh okra, some crayfish, some dried fish that I already cleaned. I have half red bell pepper. I have stockfish bits, as it's called. I have some onion, and then I have a whole lot of other ingredients. And then the next thing that I'm doing is just to prep the vegetable, to cut the okra. I can't talk. To cut the okra, and I'm using this manual food processor to process the okra. You can process it with electric if you have that one, or you can use your hand and cut it. Basically, that's how we normally do back in Nigeria. But however you cut it is your choice. If you don't want to cut it at all, it's also your choice. You don't have to only cook okra. You can use this particular method to cook any other soup that you want to cook: vegetable soup, egusi soup, ogbono soup. Yes, you can use it to cook even ogbono soup. I'm telling you, I will show you in another video when I'll be making okra soup on how I actually cook okra soup without oil. Sorry, in another video when I'm cooking ogbono soup, how I cook ogbono soup without red oil. And I will tell you guys the reason why I started cooking without red oil actually in another video. But yes, this is what I'm using. I'm using uziza seed. I cannot tell you enough how much you need uziza seed. If you cook draw soup, any kind of draw soup without uziza seed, and you cook with uziza seed, you will never go back to cooking the previous way to cook without uziza. So I always add uziza, either uziza seed or the uziza leaf. But either one, you're going to get the same effect. But what I'm adding here is the rest of my ingredients. I want to blend everything together: the red bell pepper, the onion, the uziza seed, and the hot pepper. You can add to your own taste the hot pepper. You can add how much you want, or you can add nothing at all. And the reason why this is actually very good, because I know some people live in the part of the world where they cannot get red oil, and you still want to cook and still have the same result as using red oil. So this is one of the reasons. And then the other reason why I'm cooking without red oil, I will tell you guys, like I said, in another video. What all I've done is blended that, and then I'm adding crayfish onto it, and then I'll blend it all together and add it into the pot. That's basically what it is. It is self-explanatory, but yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you're subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, help my channel to grow. And I want to thank you also for always watching and commenting and liking my videos. Share with your family and friends. You never know who will like this video. Thank you so much in advance. So what I've gone to do is, this is the rest of my meat. Of course, we Africans, we love to eat meat, so you need to use your own favorite protein. But this is goat meat. I have cooked it ahead of time. Okay, goat meat is a little bit tough to cook, but you know, you can just get it done anyhow you cook it, as far as you cook it to your own desired taste or desired softness. So I'm going ahead to add the rest of the ingredients, the stockfish, the dry fish, and then I will let everything simmer all together before I add the blended ingredient. I have blended the blended ingredient that we blended already. I'm adding some stock cubes and then the rest of the ingredients here, and then I will let everything to cook again together before we start adding the magic ingredients. Okay. So the color you're seeing now from the food is just the color of the red bell pepper that I added with the rest of the ingredients that I blended. I haven't added, the secret ingredients, okay, that is coming up very soon. But already it's looking like it has red oil, because we know there's fat that comes from the meat that you're cooking itself, so that is oil enough, that oil is enough. But here is the ingredient that we're going to be using to give it that magic color that red oil gives to food. So it is turmeric. Turmeric is one of them. Turmeric is packed with a lot of health benefits, so if you can get turmeric into your food, do. Okay, turmeric is one of the ingredients that they use in curry powder. That is what gives curry powder that yellow color that it has. And then the next one that I will add together with it is paprika. This is dried paprika. So when you add these two ingredients together, it's going to give you that color that you get from red oil. Okay, there's no red oil that is going to go into this food, and I've been using this for quite some time now. And like I said, I will tell you guys in another video why I switched to using this instead of using red oil. But yeah, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, the color have already deepened from the turmeric that I just added to it. And you're going to be asking, how is the taste? You're not going to know that you have no red oil. You don't taste the turmeric. Turmeric doesn't have actually that overpowering taste. By the time you add all your other ingredients, you're not going to taste anything different than just your regular soup. So I'm going ahead to add my okra soup. If you're making okra, if you're making a different type of soup, you can just go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients and cook it just normally like you would cook with red oil. Yeah, that's what it is. I didn't add any other oil. Like I said, the meat already has enough fat. Okay, even if it's not goat meat, if it's chicken or whatever, if you want to add oil, you can add just your regular vegetable oil and your food is set to go. Okay, you can see this is what it's looking like. Like I said, it's looking just like you used red oil. I hope that you're enjoying this video. If you are, kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. I do appreciate you stopping by my channel, so I can't thank you enough. Kindly leave me a comment. What do you think? Have you ever used this? Are you going to use it in the future? So let me know in the comment section. I've added my vegetable. I'm using frozen collard green, and this food, I'm telling you, this soup is on another level. Okay, if you have never used ozuza leaf or ozuza seed to make your draw soup before, try it this time. Okay, try it. You are going to love it. Okay, it takes your food from level 1 to level 10 in terms of taste. Yes, but here my food is done, my soup is done. It's as healthy as it can get. Okay, if you are on a weight loss journey, this is the soup for you. Okay, you can eat it with vegetable amala. I have made that on my channel, so you can go ahead, scroll down and watch that video. If I didn't tell you that there was no red oil in this soup, would you agree? But now you see. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me that you stop by my channel to watch my video. Kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. What do you think? Are you going to try this? Is it something that you've done before? Let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a good opportunity for you to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming recipes and other videos. Until I come your way the next time, thank you so much for watching, and you have a very wonderful day. Stay safe and remain blessed. Bye bye.